Assalamu alaikum, my YouTube family. I hope you're all doing well. Today I'm back with another part of this store which I have shared with you in the past. So today we are going to do Target walkthrough part 2. So like I mentioned in my previous video that this store is located in Winter Garden near Daniels Road in Orlando, Florida. So let's go inside and see what they have. So this store has recently been remodeled. So what we used to see before, it doesn't look like that anymore. So they have changed a lot of things which I think is getting easier to get used to. So let's see. Now we walk inside. And here I'm going to show you on my left they have toys and games for children, and on the right they have CDs and electronics. Electronics I showed you in the previous video, but here they have some CDs, and you can see they have a lot of games like Legos. They have dolls for little girls. In this store you can find each and everything you need for your daily needs. Either it's your household thing or it's just a sock that you need. You can just grab it from here. Here's the clearance section on my right, and I was really interested in toys, so I wanted to show you some toys in closely. So you can see they have a lot of dolls here in this aisle. They have a lot of different toys like than we used to have and when we were kids. So it's very interesting to see the toys. You can see this little Vespa they have this double-decker bus. They have a lot of clothes for little dolls, and here are the dolls as well. So let's move forward. As I move forward, you can see they have some children's clothes. They have clothes from infants to girls. So here you can find clothes for everybody, from a newborn, for a little girl, for toddlers, everybody. They have each and everything here in under one roof. So here on this side they have some patio and garden stuff. So they have outdoor furnitures as well as they have dirt for your gardening. They have gardening tools. They also have seeds for vegetable seeds. So they have cucumber seed, carrot seeds, turnip seeds, radish seeds. Any seeds you need you can grab from here. All the garden essentials you need you can find here, and I will be showing you some outdoor furniture. So here on my left they have children's clothes, and on the right they have garden and patio furniture and stuff, whatever you need. So you can see they have some outdoor furniture. They also have some tiki. So all the things that are in season they usually put in this section. So here they also have some pool stuff. They have pool noodles, they have pool inflatables here on this side, and on my left they have all the children's things. They have car seats, they have strollers, they have infant formulas, and they also have children's shampoos. Anything you need is right here. On my right they have pet care stuff. And as we move forward we are heading towards the household stuff and grocery section, and on my right they have toilet papers and kitchen rolls. There was a time during when pandemic started there you could not see anything on these shelves, but now all these shelves are filled up again. They are in full stock and the prices are pretty good right now as well. And on this side they have some paper plates, paper stuff. They have paper cups, they have they have plastic spoons, they have napkins, and they have cleaning supplies on behind this. All the sanitizing things for your cleaning purposes is right here. And in front they have a freezer, fridge section, dairy section. They have milk. The yogurt section is right here, and they have cheese here as well. They have creamers, they have pizzas, they have dinners, everything in these aisles. They also have ice cream. I will show you a section of ice cream section as we move forward. So on my left, all the household cleaning supplies, garbage bags, and dish soaps, everything. And here they have the ice cream section, so they have it on display. And as well as when you go inside, you can see a lot more options for the ice cream. So we are still in the section of the cleaning supplies, and on the right is the grocery. And as we move forward, you can see they have detergents on the left, and they have drinks on the right. Here on the right they have the whole section dedicated to drinks, either it's soda or water, anything. They have it here. And the wall that is behind it has all the refrigerated food items. So here in the middle they have some promotion going on party size chips. It's 2 for $8. And on my right they have chips section. All the snacks you need are on my right. And here they have another big box of chips that has little packets. It says it's on sale right now, $17.99. And here inside the Target they have CVS pharmacy attached to it, so you can grab your medications as well. And you can see they have all the hand sanitizers on display. You can get all the medications, all the vitamins, anything you need is on this side. And on my right they have still we are still in the grocery section. They have sodas displayed at 3 for $12. These are soda cans. Here on my left they have the beauty supplies that I will be showing you in my next part because it's very huge. So here they have travel items. Either you need travel sanitizer, travel shampoo, toothbrush, anything you need for traveling is in these little baskets. So now as we are heading forward, you can see we are in the grocery section. So we are in vegetables, and we are in produce section. They have fruits here. They also have bakery here. They have some drinks here like smoothies here as well. On this side they have bell peppers, coriander, green chilies and everything. In the middle on this section they have fruit. So they have blueberries, they have raspberries, they have blackberries, they have grapes, they have strawberries. And you can see how nicely they are packed in boxes. And sometimes you can find fruits on sale, like these strawberries are priced at $1.99, which is at the sale price here. And there they have some tomatoes, and there they have a lot of bananas. So bananas are priced at $65 per pound, and they have mangoes here, which is 99 cents per mango. And as we move forward, I will show you some apples. So here in United States, there are a lot of different kinds of apples, which I didn't know. So when I moved here, I was like, there are a lot of apples here. So here, before apples, they have some honeydews. They have watermelons as well. Here you can see different kinds of apples. They have Granny Smith apples. They have Pink Lady apples, Honey Crisp apples, Gala apples. That's what I have learned so far. So you can see so many different kinds of apples, so many different options, and each apple is priced differently. So here they have the dairy section. They have a deli section where they have sandwiches, cheeses, meals on the go. You can just grab and go. And here in the middle they have some oranges, they have lemons, they have limes. They also have lemon juice as well. And here in the middle they have onions. So they have red onions, white onions, yellow onions. They have potatoes, gold potatoes, russet potatoes, sweet potatoes. So all the potatoes and onions are in one section. So on that wall behind they have bell peppers, they have all the cabbages, salads, everything is there. In the middle they have packaged tomatoes. They have some more fruits. They have like a packaged apples as well. You can see they have a very big produce section. And here as we move forward, you can see they have cheeses in the middle here, and against that wall in the back as well. And on the left they have their bakery where they have freshly baked breads and sandwich buns, everything, all the different kinds of bread they have here as well. So you can see they have different kinds of breads here in different packaging, and in the back they also have cupcakes and muffins. All the different things you need from the bakery section you can always grab from here. So let's go forward. Since it was near 4th of July, so they had some of the grilling items as well. They had some corns, which you will get a glimpse of as I'm in a summer. So they have watermelons everywhere, so you can see they have big buckets of watermelons here, and they have corns on the left. This is the exit. So I really hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to check out my other videos as well. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Allah Hafiz.